Mark, I do think that they could try again because, the threat remains. Those people who wanted me eliminated, the reason why they want me to be eliminated is my party is by far the most popular party in Pakistan. We have won 75% of the by-elections despite the government party, the ruling party, all the parties put together, backed by the establishment. Despite that, we have swept the by-elections and the popularity has gone up. Basically because people do not want these criminals who are ruling Pakistan right now. 61% of the cabinet has corruption cases against them. So that's why I have massive public support. And I think they think that the only way to get me out of the way is actually eliminate me. So I think that there is a threat still. I am a firm believer in my faith, which says the time, death is in the Almighty's hands. We take precautions. I will take more precautions than before. But that is not going to stop me. The fear of death is not going to stop me from pursuing what I believe is a mission to fight for rule of law in this country. This is the big problem we have. We have institutions that are above law. We have these political mafias which are above law. And that's the reason why the country can't prosper. So this is 26 years ago I started my movement for justice and rule of law. And, the threat of being killed is not going to stop me from resuming this mission. Prime Minister and the Interior Minister, who I named, we know their past for 30 years. Both have been involved in extrajudicial killing. Both were involved in what is called the Model Town Massacre, where they had 12 protesters shot dead and about 60 injured. So we know the past. I have asked the Chief Justice to have an independent probe under him. We know there were 2 gunmen because the decoy was this one gunman who admitted that it was for religious reasons he had shot me. But we know that there was another gunman sitting in the front. I know that an independent probe is going to prove what I'm saying is right, that this was a planned assassination attempt.